Hi, welcome to Climbing Daily. Today we've got a bit of a special show. We're focusing on the Epic TV mega series Epic Climber, and we thought we'd grab a word with Tommy Caldwell and Emily Harrington to find out their thoughts on the show.
I'm here in Chamonix to ski, actually. I have been a skier all my life, and living in Tahoe this winter we have had zero snow, so we decided to come to Chamonix and get some skiing in. So I was here in Chamonix last summer for the Epic Climber event. I was climbing with Tommy Caldwell, and we were also with Hazel Finley and Alex Migos, and the whole idea was to test us in several disciplines of climbing, which Chamonix is really well suited for that because there are several different types of climbing that you can do all around the valley. And it was a super fun week of just traveling around, going sport climbing, trad climbing, bouldering, multi-pitch climbing, and we had a great time. I was pretty proud of myself on the multi-pitch sport climbing day when I managed to on-site the second 7C plus pitch. I was pretty psyched with that performance.
Okay, got this.
The moves are technical and a bit tricky. It's hard to figure out the sequence.
This pitch is 7C plus, and she gets to this section that's quite tricky, and she just looks so controlled, but you can tell it's hard for her. She looks nervous, she's kind of shaking a little bit, but she just like climbs precise and sticks all the moves and gets through it.
Epic Climber brought together 4 climbers that were quite well-rounded, I would say, and sort of tested us on different types of climbing. It was my teammate, Emily Harrington, and I on one team, and then Hazel Finley and Alex Migos on the other. Emily is a very well-rounded climber. She's climbed 8,000 meter peaks, but she's also been a competition climber. She's also a strong boulder, so really well-rounded. Alex Migos is like total child prodigy. Not really a child anymore, but he's just a complete phenom, such an inspirational guy to be around, and that was a highlight for me, was getting to kind of try and learn some from the younger generation.
Oh.
And then Hazel is the British female trad climber. She's got to be one of the most bold female climbers out there. I think the highlight for me was being with a group of really fun people and spending a week in Chamonix, experiencing the best it has to offer, really. Our multi-pitch limestone day, we did an undone route that had bad rocks, and we were breaking holds off and taking falls and having a good time in that way.
Kind of like doing a new route. It's dirty. You have to climb really slowly so that you don't slip on all the bits of black moss. Holds are breaking. I just broke the only possible holds on this climb.
Oh yeah, it just got way harder.
And then the bouldering day was quite funny too, because we went to a bouldering area that was really picturesque. Mount Blanc was in the background, unbelievably beautiful, but none of these boulders had been climbed on, so we were tasked with establishing boulder problems and trying to compete on them within this kind of 4-hour window, and so that had plenty of challenges.
My boulder problem was quite high arete.
It's got that element of fear to it. It's a little bit of a high ball. It's kind of scary. Everything that you want in a boulder problem.
Sounds a little hollow.
Tommy climbs too high for the crash pads to be of much use, but he tops out safely despite some tricky final moves.
I think that Epic Climber just opened my eyes to how much there is here in Chamonix in the summer to do. There's so much climbing to do, and the access is amazing, and it made me want to come back actually all year round. I could definitely spend a couple months here in all seasons.
Thanks guys. The third episode is out today, where the climbers go to an undisclosed location and a secret boulder garden. The remaining episodes are coming out over the next few weeks, so stay tuned. We'll see you tomorrow.